Hello, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, welcome back to my lecture. Grade 9, Chapter 2, Tissue, topic nervous tissue. In the previous lecture, we discussed about the muscular tissue. So, today we will discuss about nervous tissue. Nervous tissue, play an important role in our body. It is specialized in reception. Reception is basically receiving of signals, integration, assembling of signal, and transmission of signal. Signal is the stimuli. Nervous system is devoid of matrix. Okay, it is integrated to form brain, spinal cords, and nerve cell. And individual cells are called neurons or nerve cell. Nerve cell is further divided into two parts. First is cell body, second is the neurites. Okay, so this is a typical nerve cell or a neuron. So let's start with cell body. Cell body is basically polygonal in the shape, broader and nucleated part. That means nucleus is there. Centriole are absent. That means no cell division will occur in the neuron. Cytoplasm is called nucleoplasm. That means that cytoplasm is present in the cell body known as nucleoplasm. Two main structures are present. These are the neurofibril and nasal granule. Neurofibril help in transmission of impulse and nasal granule are ribosome containing structure. Ribosome help in the protein synthesis. So neurites are further divided into two parts, dendrites and axons. So let's start with dendrites. Dendrites are basically small tapering branch protoplasmic outgrowth. In the structure you can see waves dendrites. Large dendrites are called dendrons. And like the cytones, dendrites possess neurofibrils and nasal granules. That means protein synthesis will occur. Dendrite basically pick up impulse and transmit same toward the cytones. Now axons are basically long fiber-like process of uniform thickness that generally arise singly from the cell body. Axons do not have any nasal granules. That means no protein formation will occur. It contains neurofibrils. It is surrounded by a sheath that is called neurolemma, of which are made up of special connective tissue known as Schwann cells. This unsheathed axon is called nerve fiber. At the place where sheaths are absent, that part is called nodes of Ranvier. In the next slide, you will see where are nodes of Ranviers. Axons is basically divided terminally into the fine branches. These are called as terminal arborations or nerve ending. You can see in the picture at the end there are axon terminals are there, and the later they have knobbed end in contact with muscles, glands, skins and other structure. But at some places these knob ends are called synaptic knobs, where they are connected with other dendrites. There are some space between one neurons and other neuron. Now, functions of the nervous tissue. First is the sensations. Whenever I am touching any hot object, then I feel some sensations to my hand. Second, response. It's play a very important role in response. Third, control. Without nervous system, we cannot control our body. It also help in the coordination because our all body parts play an important role or play a role in a coordinated manner. Learn behavior. Without nervous system, we cannot learn anything. Now there is small difference between the axon and dendrites. If we are talking about the process, then axons are uniformly thickened fiber-like process, and dendrites is a short tapering process of neuron. Sheath in the axon, sheath always unsheathed. but in the dendrites, sheath is always absent. Nasal granule is basically absent in the axon but present in the dendrites. And if we are talking about neurofibril is absent, but that can maybe present in axon, but it's always present in dendrites. Main important difference is impulse. Axons carry impulse away from the cell body and dendrites towards the cell body. So with this slide, your chapter has finished. So in the next class, we will study next chapter, chapter number 3, diversity of the living organism. So if you have any doubt in this chapter, you can ask me anytime. So till then, stay at home, stay safe, be happy, stay blessed, and thank you.